Introducing the Chinese 15 horsepower mini agricultural garden tractor, a compact, efficient, and affordable solution designed for small-scale farmers, gardeners, and anyone looking to maximize productivity without breaking the bank. This little powerhouse is equipped with a 15 horsepower engine, delivering just the right amount of strength to handle plowing, tilling, hauling, and more. Don't let its size fool you. It's built for tough jobs. Why waste hours on back-breaking manual labor? This mini tractor can save you time and effort, letting you focus on what matters most, growing your business and securing your family's future. But here's the real fear. What if delays and inefficiencies ruin your harvest? Every day wasted is a step closer to lost income and empty plates. Can you afford to take that risk? Take control of your farm with the Chinese 15 horsepower mini agricultural garden tractor. Its fuel-efficient engine ensures you save money, while its easy-to-use design makes it perfect for anyone, whether you're new to farming or a seasoned expert. It's more than a machine. It's a partner in your success story. From small gardens to larger plots, this tractor is ready to help you achieve your dreams. Don't let this season slip away. Invest in the Chinese 15 horsepower mini agricultural garden tractor today and turn your hard work into a harvest of success. Subscribe now for more game-changing solutions for your farm. Ready to take your farming to the next level? Don't stop here. Click on the next video to discover more innovative tools and tips to maximize your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on game-changing ideas for your farm. Your journey to success starts now.